Welcome to Vital Health Guide. Today, we will explore why cancer risk dramatically increases after age 60 and how you can prevent it. Turning 60 is a major life milestone, but it also brings a hidden biological shift that requires our immediate and careful attention. Medical statistics consistently show a sharp upward curve in cancer diagnoses exactly when individuals cross this specific threshold into their senior years. But why does this happen? The answer lies deep within our cellular biology and three major changes occurring inside our aging bodies. To truly understand this risk, we must look at the microscopic level where our cells are constantly dividing and replicating every day. Throughout our youth, our bodies possess an incredibly robust defense mechanism designed to catch and correct tiny cellular errors almost instantly. However, as decades pass, this vital internal repair system begins to slow down, leaving us significantly more vulnerable to dangerous mutations. Scientists have identified three primary biological culprits responsible for this dangerous shift, and understanding them is your first step toward true prevention. The first major factor is the natural increase in cellular mutations combined with a progressively weakening cellular DNA repair mechanism over time. Imagine your DNA as an intricate instruction manual. Every time a cell divides, it must copy this entire manual without any mistakes. When we are young, special proteins act like diligent proofreaders, quickly fixing any typographical errors before they can cause any lasting damage. After turning 60, these critical proofreading proteins become exhausted and far less efficient, allowing dangerous genetic typos to accumulate in our bodies. These accumulated errors eventually lead to rogue cells that refuse to die, multiplying uncontrollably to form what we commonly know as tumors. This gradual loss of DNA maintenance is a fundamental reason why advancing age remains the most significant risk factor for developing cancer. The second critical factor is a process scientists call immunosenescence, which simply means the gradual aging and weakening of your immune system. Your immune system features specialized defenders known as natural killer cells, whose primary job is to hunt down and destroy abnormal cells. In a healthy young body, these natural killer cells are highly aggressive, constantly patrolling your bloodstream to eliminate any emerging cancer threats. As we enter our 60s, these vital defender cells become sluggish and significantly less responsive to the chemical signals of abnormal growths. Because the immune patrol is compromised, early cancer cells can easily slip unnoticed past our natural defenses and begin multiplying without restriction. This weakened surveillance network explains why tumors can grow larger before being detected in older adults compared to much younger, healthier individuals. The third and perhaps most insidious factor driving cancer risk after 60 is a chronic biological condition medically referred to as inflammaging. Inflammaging is a state of constant, low-grade inflammation that quietly smolders throughout your entire body without displaying any obvious physical symptoms. While acute inflammation heals wounds, this chronic systemic inflammation acts like a slow fire that persistently damages surrounding healthy tissues and organs. This continuous inflammatory state creates an incredibly toxic environment that actually encourages abnormal cells to survive, mutate, and eventually transform into cancer. Inflammatory chemicals essentially provide the perfect fertile soil for tiny microscopic tumors to establish their own blood supply and grow remarkably fast. These three factors, DNA, a mutation, immune decline, and chronic inflammation, work together to create the perfect storm for cancer in older bodies. However, getting older does not mean you are entirely defenseless against these biological changes occurring deep within your cellular structures every day. Science has discovered 5 highly effective practical strategies that can dramatically slow down these aging processes and actively protect your vulnerable cells. The very first strategy is optimizing your vitamin D levels, which is absolutely crucial for maintaining healthy cellular function and immune defense. Vitamin D is not just a simple vitamin, and it actually acts as a powerful hormone that directly regulates cellular division and death. Adequate vitamin D ensures that old or damaged cells undergo programmed cell death instead of surviving and mutating into dangerous cancerous growths. Unfortunately, as we age, our skin becomes significantly less efficient at synthesizing vitamin D from natural sunlight, leading to widespread hidden deficiencies. Therefore, older adults must actively consult their doctors about taking high-quality vitamin D supplements to keep their cellular defense systems operational. The second essential strategy involves restoring and nurturing your gut microbiome, which serves as the ultimate command center for your immune system. Surprisingly, nearly 70% of your entire immune system resides directly within your digestive tract, interacting constantly with billions of gut bacteria. A healthy, yet diverse gut microbiome actively trains your immune cells, making them sharper and much more effective at hunting down rogue tumors. To support this microscopic army, you must regularly consume fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi, alongside plenty of soluble dietary plant fiber. These specific nutrients feed the beneficial bacteria, which in turn produce powerful compounds that significantly reduce systemic inflammation throughout your aging body. This brings us to the third vital strategy, which is strictly controlling hidden inflammation through a highly targeted and mindful daily diet. You must actively avoid refined sugars and highly processed vegetable oils, as these modern ingredients literally add explosive fuel to chronic inflammaging. Instead, you should carefully prioritize consuming fatty fish, dark, leafy greens, fresh, colorful berries, and powerful healing spices like natural yellow turmeric. But these healthy natural foods act like cool water poured over the smoldering fires of cellular damage that naturally accompany the aging process. Turmeric, for instance, contains an active compound called curcumin that has been scientifically shown to disrupt the growth pathways of cancer cells. Meanwhile, the powerful antioxidants found abundantly in dark berries work tirelessly to neutralize harmful free radicals before they can damage delicate DNA. The fourth crucial strategy focuses entirely on optimizing the quality of your nightly rest to profoundly enhance your natural internal immune functions. Sleep is absolutely not a passive state. It is the critical period when your immune system performs its most intensive cellular maintenance. During the deepest phases of sleep, your body releases a surge of protective immune cells that aggressively patrol for newly mutated threats. Chronic sleep deprivation severely cripples this vital nighttime patrol, allowing abnormal cells to survive and multiply while your bodily defenses are compromised. Older adults must prioritize getting 8 full hours of uninterrupted deep sleep to keep their internal defense mechanisms operating at peak efficiency. Establishing a calming evening routine, keeping the bedroom perfectly dark, and avoiding late-night digital screens are simple yet profoundly effective measures. The fifth and final strategy is engaging in purposeful daily movement, which is fundamentally different from stressful, high-intensity athletic gym workouts. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking every single day can significantly improve the circulation of vital lymphatic fluid throughout your aging body. Your lymphatic system acts as a biological garbage disposal, continuously flushing out cellular waste, harmful toxins, and potentially dangerous rogue cancer cells. Furthermore, consistent daily exercise helps dramatically lower baseline insulin levels, which is crucial because high insulin can aggressively stimulate rapid tumor growth. Movement also directly reduces systemic inflammation, creating an internal environment where healthy cells can thrive and dangerously mutated cells struggle to survive. Implementing these 5 practical strategies does not demand a complete lifestyle overhaul, but rather a series of consistent, mindful daily health choices. Start simply by stepping outside for a morning walk to naturally absorb some sunlight while simultaneously getting your essential daily physical activity. Gradually introduce more colorful, plant-based vegetables into your meals, and consider swapping those highly processed snacks for fresh organic dark berries. Make an absolute commitment to protecting your sleep schedule, treating those precious hours of rest as non-negotiable medicine for your body. And it is incredibly empowering to realize that our daily habits hold profound influence over our genetic expression and long-term physical health. While we certainly cannot stop the relentless passage of time, we can absolutely dictate how gracefully and strongly our cellular biology ages. Every nutritious meal you eat, every brisk walk you take, and every restful night you sleep actively builds a stronger internal fortress. Scientific research clearly demonstrates that genetics only account for a minor percentage of cancer risk, while lifestyle choices play the dominant role. By addressing DNA repair, immune decline, and chronic inflammation directly, you are actively rewriting your future health narrative with profound scientific precision. Never underestimate the incredible resilience of the human body. When provided with the correct nutritional tools and the proper environment to heal. Aging should ideally be a beautiful journey of accumulated wisdom, yet completely free from the terrifying shadow of preventable chronic diseases like cancer. Taking proactive steps today ensures that your golden years remain vibrant, energetic, and fully dedicated to enjoying life alongside your loved ones. Share this vital knowledge with friends and family members who are approaching or have already crossed this critical age threshold of 60. Together, we can transform our collective understanding of aging from a period of inevitable decline into an era of proactive health preservation. Knowledge is truly your most powerful weapon in the ongoing battle against cellular mutation, immunosenescence, and silent systemic chronic bodily inflammation. Begin integrating these 5 scientifically proven strategies today, and watch as your body responds with deeply renewed vitality and enhanced internal strength. We hope this comprehensive breakdown provides you with the clear, but actionable guidance necessary to take full control of your long-term health. Remember that small, consistent daily actions compound dramatically over time, creating a powerful shield against the most common diseases of advanced aging. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredibly important journey into the fascinating science of cellular aging and disease prevention. Stay healthy, keep moving, and always remember to subscribe to video for more deeply informative, science-backed health and wellness content.